Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tega. If you're new here, you're very welcome. If you're a subscriber or you continue to visit this channel from time to time, thank you so much for coming again. Thank you for subscribing, for your likes and for your comments. In this video today, I'll be showing you some of the things we made in our tutorials from 2020 to 2021, guys, including the one I'm wearing here. So let's get cracking. Thanks so much guys for watching. This is all I have for today to show you of the tutorials we've done 2020, 2021, 2022. We have more coming your way. So if you're new here, get ready, or you're a subscriber already and you've watched all the videos or almost all the videos. Wow, 2022, we have loads more coming. So if you haven't subscribed, press that subscribe button and the notification bell to notify you when I post a new video. You don't want to miss out 2022. We're getting ready. It's gonna be great. I'll see you in my next video. But till then, guys, look after yourself and bye for now.